A letter from the local authority education welfare service. The heading reads, School Attendance Warning Notice. It confirms a child's attendance has fallen below the required level. A deadline is given to improve attendance. If it does not change, legal action may follow. No reply is sent. The letter explains the attendance record, days missed, unauthorized absences, dates listed across the school term. It states that parents are responsible for ensuring regular attendance. The notice gives time to respond, contact the school, provide an explanation, or improve attendance before the review date. The deadline arrives. Attendance does not improve, no explanation is sent. No meeting is arranged with the school. The case moves forward. A new document is issued, a penalty notice warning letter. It explains that a fine may be issued if attendance does not improve immediately. The letter sets out the next step. A penalty notice can be issued by the local authority. A financial penalty for failing to ensure school attendance. A short monitoring period is given. The child's attendance continues to fall below the required level. No contact is made with the attendance officer. The monitoring period ends. The local authority issues a penalty notice for school non-attendance. The notice confirms a fine must be paid. The amount is listed. A reduced amount if paid within 21 days. A higher amount if paid later. The letter gives the final payment deadline. Payment can close the case. No payment is made. The deadline passes. The penalty notice becomes unpaid. The local authority moves to the next stage. The case is prepared for Magistrates Court prosecution. A new letter is issued, a single justice procedure notice. It confirms that a case has been started in the Magistrates Court. The allegation is failure to ensure regular school attendance. The notice gives 21 days to respond. Options are included: enter a plea, provide financial details, or request a court hearing. No reply is returned, no plea is entered, no information is sent to the court. The deadline expires. The magistrate reviews the case using the written evidence, attendance records from the school, the warning letters issued, the unpaid penalty notice. No defense is on file. No explanation has been submitted. The magistrate decides the case. A conviction is recorded. A court fine is imposed, along with court costs and a victim surcharge. A new document is issued, a notice of fine and collection order. It confirms the total amount now owed. Payment instructions are included. The notice gives a payment deadline. This is the point where the process changes. The case is no longer a school attendance warning. It is now a criminal court fine. Recorded by the Magistrates Court, payment must be made through the court fine system. Only then does contact begin. A call is made to the local authority attendance office. The question is direct. Why has a court fine been issued? The officer checks the case file. An attendance warning notice was sent. The attendance did not improve. A penalty notice was issued. The fine was not paid. The case was referred to court. A single justice procedure notice was issued. No reply was received. The magistrate decided the case. The parent explains the letter was seen, but it looked like another school reminder. It was placed aside to deal with later. By the time the court decided the case, the deadlines had already passed. Reversing it is difficult. The conviction already exists. The fine has already been imposed. Payment can settle the amount owed, but the court decision remains recorded. None of this started in court. None of it started with the magistrate. It started with a letter, a school attendance warning notice, a deadline to respond, a letter that received no reply.